Good evening, world, and welcome to another edition of Xcentricks. My name's Xcentricks. Please give this video a thumbs up, a like, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel. How do you subscribe to my channel? You hit the subscribe button down below, hit the bell for future notifications, and when I upload new content, you'll be notified. So everyone's been asking me, Xcentricks, what are you doing? You're doing thoughtful things, you're doing motivational videos, you're doing inspirational videos, you're talking about makeup applications, skincare companies, makeup companies. What exactly is your niche? Well, that is all coming up in my channel, which is actually happening at the end of the month. My channel trailer will be launching at the end of the month, so stay tuned for that. It will be a very short video, but it will be a very educational video as well. So we have some exciting things planned for this upcoming week, and I do not want you to miss out, so you have to tune in. So if you're not a subscriber already, make sure you hit the bell button and the subscribe button and subscribe right now. If you're watching this, hit the subscribe button. Subscribe right now. So everybody says, what is your niche? My niche is makeup. My niche is passion. My niche is makeup, beauty essentials, and making you look your best. So as a beauty influencer, it is my responsibility to showcase all the hottest trends that are on the market today. So whether that's from the Sephora collection, whether that's collections that are actually in Sephora as well, we will be reviewing all of them. So, starting next week, we have a huge lineup in store. We have makeup over Mondays. We have Totally Awesome Tuesdays. We have Wicked Wednesdays. We have Thoughtful Thursdays. We have my personal favorite, Fierce Fridays. And Saturday and Sunday, I'm saying it, Sassy Secrets for Saturday and Sunday. Expect the unexpected from Xcentricks. You never know what I'm going to say. I have a loud mouth, but my passion's makeup. My passion as a beauty influencer is to give you what you want, when you want it. So leave your comment and make sure that I will respond to all the comments as well. And I'll make sure you give this video a thumbs up, a like, and subscribe to my channel. TikTok, time's a ticking, people. So make sure you hit the bell button now and subscribe to my channel. Expect the unexpected from Xcentricks. And remember, always be you, be unique.